Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. First, if you want to change the straps, you will need to remove the old ones, and to do it, you need to grab your watch, flip it around, and on the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this lever you can pull on. And basically this is the quick release mechanism. And what you need to do is to pull on it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, it will release the mechanism and you will be able to pull out the strap. And how this mechanism works is quite simple. Basically, you have two pins on each side of the strap, and when you pull on the lever, this one pin retracts and hides inside of the strap. And once it retracts from the watch, from the hole on the watch, it releases the strap and you can pull it out. Quite simple and quite good because it's quick and you don't need to bother with any tools to just remove the straps. And once you get the new straps and you want to put them on, it's quite simple too. You grab your watch, you grab the strap you want to put on, and like I said before, on each side of the watch you have like a hole right here that the pin goes into and then holds the strap together with the watch. You need to take the pin that is farther away from the lever, this side of the strap, put it inside of the hole on the watch like this. Then you need to align the strap a bit, pull on the lever to retract the pin, and then align it even more with the hole, release the pin, it will click in, and once it does, it will hold. Quite simple and quick, which I like. This is one of the best systems they have. Okay, so let's do the same for the other side. Like this, pull on the lever. Give me a second. This one is struggling with me a bit. So pull on the lever to retract the pin, align the pin with the hole, release it, and it should click in, and once it does, it should hold, and now we have our straps on. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.